A simple way to record your students' grades. This video will walk through how to create a point-based gradebook on Microsoft Excel. Start a new workbook in Excel. Add general information about the class. Type the instructor's name. Type the class name. Type the section number and meeting time. Enter the term. Name the gradebook sheet. Edit the text and adjust the column width. Start creating the gradebook layout. Type the column header first name and the column header last name, and adjust the column width. Type student number. Type in the student's first and last names. Edit the text and adjust the column width. Enter each assignment as a column header. Input grades. We'll use the sum function to find each student's total points. Type equal sign, then sum. Press Enter to confirm the formula. Duplicate the formula. Double-click cell bottom corner. Create a possible point. This column will contain the possible points for the course. Select the cell and drag down. Create a grade column. This will contain the percentage grade for each student, where the numerator is the total points earned and the denominator is the total possible points. Select the cell, right-click and select Copy. Highlight the cells, select Paste. Assign letter grades.
If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.